Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo Tango.
Today we're going to see a video talking about steps that you can use at the Milonga right away.
We're going to be using a step that it'll be great for navigation, and also we're going to be shifting her body weight from one leg to the other, which is very, very important in tango.
Yes, all the technique on her legs and also for the leader. Now, before going to the video, make sure to subscribe with notifications. Also like and share with your friends. Okay, let's do this beautiful step that you can do right away at the Milonga. We'll show you first. Body weight change. So we go side, change, 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 step. Change, change, step. Change, change, step. Change, change, front and side. And we could go from here to other figure or to resolution. So I was counting my steps. Of course, it's the same for the leader, but I was walking back in longer step and leader was walking forward for a longer step.
Yes. One of the most common problems, I don't like to say problems, but leaders, you may feel clumsy when you are trying to change her body weight. Yes. And that's one of the most common problems in leaders, especially when you are intermediate level, transitioning to advanced. That is kind of something that we have to check. When we are shifting her body weight, and this is what I meant when I said clumsy, sometimes we try to syncopate, para, pa, pa, pam, pa, 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 pam, pam, for example, faster. It has to be with our rib cage. Can you see that my head is barely moving? And when I was saying clumsy, it's because some leaders start doing ta, 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 and it's hard to catch up with the music. We have just certain speed changing and it feels like awkward, yes? Or we start using the arms and it's not good. So the correct way, I will say, is using your center, not your arms. I'm moving my center coming from my shoulder blades. I pull my shoulder blade, to move my center, and she will answer with her hip and the shift of her weight.
Yeah, let's repeat this. Please notice, followers, he's moving the torso and I'm moving the hips, not the upper body, just the hips. So I'm using body weight change from one leg to the other on my toes, so I don't push forward on the heel. I can touch the floor with the heel, but the pressure is more on the toes. And if he syncopates, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we have to do it very subtle. If you notice, I'm not moving the upper body. So be careful, don't do this. Change, change, change. He's doing very subtle from upper body, so don't change, followers. Torso, torso, torso. So don't do that. It's only hips. As soon as he moves the torso, he leads, goes to your hips, not to the head, not to the shoulders, not to your ribs. Ribs are in the same place, center, and you feel the work here. When I'm in person with the student, the first move I'll make them do is this. It looks like, I'm not going to use this in tango, but yes, you have to feel this. Yeah, the legs are straight. It doesn't work if the legs are bent. So keep the knees straight, legs straight, knees, lock your knees. So we feel all the work on the hips. When you do that, you are going to engage these muscles on the front and these muscles on your back. So doing this, you are going to feel, followers, a little work later, probably next day, that you were working a lot these muscles. So it will, if you're not used to this move, it will be not easy at the beginning. Looks very simple, but it is not. And especially we are talking about styling. You could do it, but the style is together with the leader. We do the side step. We change with him. We show him the work with the hips, with the toes on the floor, ball of a foot. And when he lowers to walk, we extend the leg. So here we can walk, larger step. And again, he's lifting. So we should change body weight one more time from one leg to the other without moving the torso. And wait, when he stops, wait on that leg because he's calculating to use, for example, in this case, my left leg. So when he stops, changing body weight. Don't keep doing this.
Don't guess which leg.
It's not autopilot. Don't do autopilot. Try to feel. Okay, he's doing 1 and 2. Wait. Now I'm moving my left. 1 and 2. Wait. Now I'm moving my right. Don't keep going.
I will do it. We are going to do the step giving my back to the camera so leaders can follow me, and then Miriam will do with the back to the camera. So we are doing this. 1 lifting, shifting her body weight. 1, 2, 3 times for now. Now step front. We change 1, 2, 3, 4 times to go with the other one. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4 times again to go with the right and with the left, sorry. And now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 times to step back and start all over again. Any other step. That's the figure for the leader.
We usually syncopate the body weight change. It could be slow. But let us show you again on this with this angle and with rhythmic.
Sure.
With the rhythm, I mean. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Change and change. Change, back and side and together. So you can play with the music. Of course, it could be in different rhythm, but try to syncopate because it's more fun.
Yeah, and the last one, if you notice, we were saying 4 was slower. So she has the time to realize, okay, we are slowing down, I'm on this leg. She has the time to understand the lead. For example, I was doing quick, slow, and the last one is slow to give her time to change and go right away. Don't do quick, go. Yes, don't go quick, go right away. Yes, it is possible, definitely is possible, but just to give her at first time to understand the lead.
Okay, last time so you can appreciate the moves. So we go to the side and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3, 4, step. 2 and 3, 4, step. 2 and 3, 4, step and side and together.
Great work, guys.
Congratulations, this is very useful. You'll see how much you're going to use it at the Milonga.
Thank you so much. Before you leave, make sure to leave a like. That will be much appreciated.
Bye.